Hey everybody, Tanya from Shooting Star SVG back, and today I am going to show you why it is so important to turn off your gosh darn shop sales on Etsy. Okay, so if you haven't already, go ahead and click on like and subscribe below, as that keeps me motivated to continue making these videos for all of you lovely people to grow your business and change your life. So I've been getting this question, I don't know, maybe like once a week or so about turning off shop sales and how to do that. So for one, I'm going to show you how you can go into your dashboard and turn off your shop sales. But second, I'm going to give you some insight on what it looks like when your shop sales are turned on and why you probably shouldn't have them on. Okay, so I actually went in and changed my settings so that my shop sales are on. I'm going to go over to my screen now, and this is what it looks like when my shop shows up on Etsy. And if you go over and hover over the sales, you can click on this because I just changed it. Not everybody has their sales on, and I do think it is important to turn it off, and here's why. When you click on this, it will populate every single sale that I have made throughout the fruition of my shop. So you can come in here and scroll around and see what in the world I am selling a lot of and go copy that. Sounds kind of scummy, huh? But that's what people do. For some reason, this Leo Nutrition Fact SVG is selling like crazy. But basically, you can scroll through and you can see what people are buying, and also it will show you what is in carts of other people as well. And you can just go back and say, okay, well, Tanya sold this file like 17 times in a day, so I'm going to go make something similar because obviously this is being sold quite a bit. Okay? You don't want people to have to be able to, like, that ability to spy on you, because they will, and they will. Okay, so you're going to want to go back into the settings panel on your dashboard, and I didn't open up the front page because I don't really feel comfortable sharing how much money I'm making. But if you click on settings, you just want to go to options, and when you scroll down, it's going to have a bunch of stuff, and you should definitely go review this if you haven't. When you scroll down, it is going to say sold listings. Do you want shoppers to be able to see these? And you can say sure, show them, or no, hide them. So I'm going to hide them again. Shop changes have been saved. Okay. I'm going to go back to my shop, and you can see that it was clickable a minute ago. I'm going to refresh, and now you cannot click it. You cannot see what I am selling, so you cannot copy me. Aha. Turn them off, okay? There's no need for other people to see that. I'm not sure why Etsy even has that feature. I guess maybe if people want to see something that's popular when they're purchasing something, there's a reason for it, but really it's just a tactic for people to go in and see what you're selling and make something inspired by your design, okay? So that is why you want to turn off Etsy shop listings. So let me know in the comments below if you knew about this feature or not, and let me know whether or not you're going to keep it on or off and why. That's all I got for today. If you haven't already, go ahead and click on like and subscribe below, as that keeps you motivated to continue making these videos, so that way you can grow your business and change your life. If there's anything additional that you want to see, feel free to also drop a comment below and let me know what you're looking for, and I'm more than happy to create a video for you. And with that, that's all I got. I will catch you all later.